Think you need years of experience to start freelancing? Think again. Some of the most successful freelancers started with zero experience. The key is knowing how to position yourself and take action. In this video, I will show you a step-by-step strategy to start freelancing today, even if you've never done it before. The freelancing myth. Many people believe you need years of experience or a degree to be a freelancer. The truth is that clients care more about results than credentials. Freelancing is a skill-based game. Learn the right skills, and you can start earning quickly. Choosing the right freelancing niche. The best way to start freelancing is by focusing on what you already know or enjoy. Popular beginner-friendly niches are writing and blogging, graphic design with Canva and other simple design tools, video editing, virtual assistants, social media management, data entry and research. If you don't have a skill yet, don't worry. You can learn one quickly online. Check out our previous video on 10 high-income skills to learn and how to get started. Building a portfolio without experience. Create sample projects to showcase your work. Offer free or discounted work to get testimonials. Use platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and LinkedIn to display your skills. Develop a simple website or portfolio page to look more professional. Finding your first clients. Leverage your personal network, friends, family, and social media. Join Facebook groups, Reddit communities, and LinkedIn forums. Pitch to small businesses and startups that need your services. Use freelancing platforms strategically. Apply to multiple gigs daily. Setting your rates and getting paid. Research market rates for beginners in your niche. Start with competitive pricing, then increase as you gain experience. Use contracts and payment platforms like PayPal or Wise to secure your income. Freelancing is one of the fastest ways to earn money online, and you don't need years of experience to get started. Take action today. Choose a skill, build your portfolio, and start reaching out to clients. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and comment below with your biggest freelancing challenge. Let's get you started.